I'm going to start off by saturating the hair, trying to get every strand, making sure it is completely wet before adding any product. I'm going to be using the Aussie Moist Conditioner to add slip so that it's easier to detangle. Then I'm going to start with the Mielle Organics Rosemary Mint Shampoo, focusing on my scalp in the perimeter of my hair, and then going in with my scalp massager to just help move the product around the scalp a little easier. And this is my hair after being shampooed. It's not dry, but we're still going to go back in with the Aussie Moist Conditioner. Only because today isn't deep conditioning day, we just apply the Aussie Moist for just a little more moisture. Then we're going to section the hair off so that it's easier for the products to be applied and they're distributed. We're going to start with the Mielle Organics Pomegranate and Honey line. I use both the leave-in and the curling smoothie. And I make sure to rake those products into the hair, followed by the Almond Oil for a sealant. And then I apply my Xtreme Wetline Gel. And with that, I try to smooth it versus raking it. And then just wet each section and reapply the same steps. For drying, I use my dryer on high heat, high air, and initially I try not to touch my hair and allow the hair to dry where it kind of just lays. And then once it's more dry than not, I give it a little tug and go in at the root for a little more stretch. And this is our final product.